To enable auto deposits in Housecall Pro, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll walk you through the quick steps to set up auto deposits, saving you time on every transaction. Plus, stick around for some bonus tips to make the most out of your Housecall Pro account. Before we dive in, you can start using Housecall Pro completely free through the first link below, along with some exclusive bonuses. But more on that later. Let's get started with enabling auto deposits. Housecall Pro is a powerful tool for service businesses, allowing you to manage scheduling, payments, and customer communications all in one place. One of the most time-saving features is the auto deposit, which automatically deposits payments into your bank account. No need to manually transfer funds. Here's how to set it up. First, log in to your Housecall Pro account. Once you're in, click on the Settings tab in the lower left corner of the dashboard. This is where all your important payment settings are located. From there, select the Payments section. Now, under the Payment settings, you'll see the option for Auto Deposits. Click on it to begin the setup process. You'll be prompted to link your bank account if you haven't already done so. Simply enter your bank account details, including your account number and routing number. Housecall Pro uses a secure encrypted system to ensure that your information stays safe. Once your bank account is linked, you'll have the option to choose how often you want auto deposits to occur. You can set it up for daily, weekly, or even bi-weekly deposits. This means that once your payments are processed, the funds will automatically be transferred to your bank account without any additional steps on your end. After selecting your preferred deposit frequency, make sure to save your settings. That's it. Your auto deposits are now enabled and Housecall Pro will handle the rest. By enabling auto deposits, you not only save time, but also reduce the chance of errors when transferring funds manually. Plus, with Housecall Pro's automatic payment tracking, you'll have a full history of all transactions, giving you a clear overview of your cash flow. But here's a tip. If you're running a larger service business or have multiple users, make sure that your team is also set up to handle payments in Housecall Pro. You can assign roles and permissions, ensuring that only the right people have access to sensitive financial settings like auto deposits. Now that you know how to enable auto deposits in Housecall Pro, let me remind you, if you want to start using this software, you can do so for free through the first link below, and don't forget to claim your exclusive bonuses. This feature makes life so much easier, but there's much more to explore within Housecall Pro. Stay tuned to our channel for more tips and tricks on how to leverage this software for your business's success. Remember, if you've got questions or want to dive deeper into other features, leave a comment below. I'll be sure to get back to you. Thanks for watching and enjoy your extended free trial of Housecall Pro.